This next section, we're going to cover a tool called SWOT. And what SWOT is strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And basically with a SWOT template, what we do is up here is us, internal. This is us, our strength, our weaknesses. And then down here is opportunities and threats. And these are external. These are outside forces that we can't really we can't really change. So why is this? We can't really control. That's what I was looking for. Sorry about that. So why would we want to do this? Let's say, for example, that you discover that you are very good at social media. You totally get social media. You're on Facebook. You're on LinkedIn, and you kill it. And you discover that your competitors are very bad at it. Well, I would be investing more than in social media, because that to me is an opportunity. That you're looking for your strengths and then your competitors' weaknesses, and those to me are good bets. That's the whole purpose. And then to be honest with yourself and list your weaknesses. So maybe you are not ready for certain investments. Let me just go through. Oh, man. Sorry about that. Let me just go through a couple of these. And you don't have to list this many. You can just list like 3 or 4. It's not meant to be something that you spend hours painting over. This is something you can do real quick. And to be honest with you, you can apply this to any business problem, any business question that comes to your mind. Try using this, but don't list 10 of them. Just list like 2 or 3, just a couple real quick. What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? What's my market? What opportunities are out there? And then also we want to take into account, we don't want our ego to get in the way. We want to take into account the threats. Maybe your competitor is awesome at AdWords and they totally kill it. And maybe I'll stay away from that because I'm going to look for their weaknesses. I'm going to say, okay, they kill it on SEO, they kill it on AdWords. I'm going to think about cold calling. Do they do any cold calling? No, they don't. Do they do any door-to-door sales? No, they don't. So I'm going to start to turn that into an opportunity, and I'm going to take advantage of that. It's kind of like sports. That's a good way to think about this.